For decades, Microsoft Excel has been the undisputed king of spreadsheets. It's a powerful, versatile tool, and for many, it was the first and sometimes only way they learned to organize data. From simple lists to complex financial models, Excel's grid-based interface, formula capabilities, and charting tools have made it indispensable for countless tasks. However, when it comes to the dynamic and collaborative demands of modern project management, Excel, despite its familiarity, often reveals significant limitations. This is where tools like Smartsheet come into their own. As a project management expert, I frequently encounter teams trying to force Excel into roles it wasn't truly designed for. While you can certainly create a task list or a basic Gantt chart in Excel, Smartsheet offers a suite of functionalities that fundamentally transform how projects are managed, providing capabilities that Excel simply cannot match. Let's explore what Smartsheet can do that Excel cannot, highlighting the advantages for project teams. 1. Built-in project management views beyond the grid. Excel is fundamentally a grid. While you can manipulate that grid to represent project data, it doesn't offer native, dynamic project views. Smartsheet, on the other hand, is built with project management in mind and provides multiple integrated views. Gantt charts. Smartsheet automatically generates interactive Gantt charts from your task data, complete with dependencies, milestones, and critical path highlighting. As you change dates or durations in the grid, the Gantt chart updates instantly. In Excel, creating and maintaining a Gantt chart is a highly manual, formula-intensive, and often frustrating process that doesn't dynamically adjust. Card View, Kanban board. Smartsheet can instantly transform your tasks into a Kanban board, allowing you to visualize workflows and drag-and-drop tasks between columns, e.g., to do, in progress, done. This visual workflow management is inherent to Smartsheet, whereas in Excel, you'd be attempting to mimic this with cumbersome conditional formatting and manual updates. Calendar View, tasks with start and end dates can be seamlessly displayed on a calendar view in Smartsheet, providing a clear visual of timelines and deadlines. Excel requires significant manual effort and often additional add-ins to achieve even basic calendar functionality for project tasks. Timeline View, a more linear representation of tasks and their durations, useful for high-level overviews. These dynamic views allow project managers and team members to visualize work in the way that makes the most sense for their specific needs, without recreating data or wrestling with complex formatting. 2. Robust collaboration and real-time updates. Excel files, especially older desktop versions, are notoriously difficult for real-time collaboration. The infamous file is locked for editing message is a common project management headache. While Microsoft 365 has improved online co-authoring, it still lacks the structured collaborative features of Smartsheet. Smartsheet is built for cloud-based, real-time collaboration, multi-user editing. Multiple team members can work on the same sheet simultaneously without conflicts or version control issues. Row-level conversations. Instead of endless email threads, Smartsheet allows for discussions and comments directly attached to specific tasks or rows, keeping communication contextual and centralized. Activity Log. Smartsheet maintains a detailed audit trail of all changes made to a sheet, including who made them and when. This transparency is virtually impossible to achieve reliably in Excel without complex macros or manual tracking. Sharing controls. Smartsheet offers granular sharing permissions, allowing you to control who can view, edit, or manage specific sheets, rows, or columns, enhancing data security and integrity. 3. Workflow automation without coding. One of Smartsheet's most powerful differentiators is its intuitive, no-code automation capabilities. You can set up rules to automate repetitive tasks, send notifications, and streamline processes. Automated alerts and reminders. Set up rules to automatically notify team members when a task is assigned to them, a due date is approaching, or a status changes. Excel can't do this natively. You'd need complex VBA macros or integrations with other tools. Approval workflows. Design automated approval processes for documents, tasks, or budget requests. For example, when a status changes to ready for review, Smartsheet can automatically send an approval request to the designated manager. Change requests. Automate requests for updates or information, ensuring data is kept current without manual chasing. Conditional actions, based on certain criteria, e.g., status is blocked, Smartsheet can automatically change cell formatting, move rows, or trigger other actions. These automations save significant time, reduce human error, and ensure that processes are consistently followed, which is a major win for project efficiency. 4. Forms for structured data collection. Smartsheet allows you to easily create web forms that can be shared externally to collect data directly into your sheets. This is invaluable for intake forms, gathering project requests, support tickets, or new lead information in a structured format. Status updates, allowing team members or clients to submit concise status updates without needing direct access to the main sheet. Surveys, collecting feedback or specific project data from a wider audience. Excel doesn't have a native form builder that integrates directly with a spreadsheet in this manner, often requiring third-party tools like Google Forms or Microsoft Forms, and then importing data, which adds steps and potential for errors. 5. Dashboards and real-time reporting. While Excel can create charts and pivot tables, building truly dynamic, real-time dashboards that pull data from multiple sources is complex and often requires significant manual updating. Smartsheet offers robust dashboard functionality. Interactive dashboards, create custom dashboards that display key performance indicators, KPIs, project progress, budget status, and more, all updating in real time as data changes in the underlying sheets. Widgets, drag and drop various widgets, charts, metrics, rich text, images, onto your dashboard to visualize data in a meaningful way. Consolidated reporting, generate reports that aggregate data from multiple sheets, providing a consolidated view across projects or departments. This is a manual and error-prone process in Excel, often leading to report fatigue. These dashboards provide instant visibility to stakeholders and leadership, empowering informed decision-making without the delay of manual report generation.